You're listening to Clinicians Roundtable on ReachMD. On this episode, Dr. Wayne Kuang will discuss this year's key themes from the 2025 American Urological Association annual meeting. Dr. Kuang is the CEO of MD for Men in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and the founder of the ManVsProstate campaign. Let's hear from him now.
Well, the listeners out there who are urologists, practicing urologists, or in academics, or even in industry, this 2025 AUA is going to be dynamic and exciting. And there's three key themes that I think we're seeing here. One is unity. And what do I mean by that? It is astronomical to me to think that they're able to bring so many urologists from across the Atlantic, across the Pacific, on 6 of the 7 continents, minus Antarctica. Everyone else is showing up here. And on top of that, think of all these international societies that come there to meet, to interact, and to share experience and expertise. China, Korea, Caribbean, Australia, New Zealand, Peru, Brazil, you name it, they are there. And we get to benefit from all of their collective experience globally. The second theme is education. They understand we can come together through education to transform healthcare. And they're doing that through 70 plus courses. And they're being very inclusive. One of the courses I really like is the Urologic Practice for Advanced Practice Providers, nurse practitioners, physician assistants. They are a cornerstone of our healthcare providers who are on the front lines helping transform lives in urology. The other thing they've really done is now continuing to evolve forward the agenda and what's included. So not only those controversy panels and discussions and case-based guideline presentations, but now a section called Practice Changing, Paradigm Shifting Clinical Trials in Urology, directly taking evidence-based medicine so we as consuming, practicing urologists can take that data and apply it to our practices every single day. And I think the last theme that I'm seeing is the art of medicine, something that because of modern times, we sometimes can lose, but bringing together some basics. One, patient-centered medicine, value-based medicine, and evidence-based medicine. That's our foundation. And upon that, we can add precision medicine or population health medicine. And so I think there's these common themes that we're seeing being woven throughout the agenda, which is exciting.
That was Dr. Wayne Kuang discussing the key themes of the 2025 American Urological Association annual meeting. To access this and other episodes in our series, visit Clinicians Roundtable on ReachMD.com, where you can be part of the knowledge. Thanks for listening.